Hi, I'm Amy Kranick, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the Clay Tool Starter set. The Clay Tool Starter set contains 3 essential tools perfect for a wide range of projects and techniques. Each tool has dual ends so that you have double the creating fun. And all the handles are made from polypropylene and are compatible with polymer clay. The needle tool has a needle on one end, perfect for bead piercing, and a flat end on the other that makes perfect little circles. I also like to use the needle for poking little patterns and series of dots. Let's look at how to use the needle end for poking and piercing holes in beads. If you have a ball bead like this, you can just find your center and using a drilling motion, push the tool through the clay. Now I always use my finger to guide me through, and then when I feel the tip of the tool just touch my finger, I know that I'm all the way through. Then I like to pull the needle tool back out and push it back through the other side, right through the same hole that I just drilled. When you're all finished, just remove the bead from the tool and it's ready for baking. The blunt point tool has a blunt point on one end. It's about 2 millimeters thick, and it has a ball-ended tool on the other end. So the blunt point tool is great for making slightly larger design or pattern in your clay. The ball-ended tool is great for curling edges on flat pieces and for making things more shaped. Let's also take a look at how we can cut out a flat piece that might be used for earrings or jewelry making, and then make a larger hole using the blunt point tool. I just stand the tool up along the edge, leaving enough space between the edge and the tool itself. And then with a drilling motion, I push the tool down until it reaches my work surface below. In this way, you can make a larger hole that is slightly larger than the needle tool. The knife shape has a nice knife on one end, which is great for sectioning and dividing clay. It's also great for children's work, and then a scoop end on the other. I like to use the knife end for creating a series of radiating lines because it's slightly tapered and it creates a neat little pattern in clay. The scoop end makes a nice flat detail like this. The Sculpey Clay Tool Starter set is great for all types of projects from jewelry to home decor.